How to delete album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The Photos app serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Scroll down and go to the Albums section at the end. You can view all your albums over here. Open the album you want to delete from here. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. And then, tap on Delete Album. Tap on Delete Album again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete album on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.